everyone, and welcome to Daily English Conversations. If you're new here, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Today's conversation is called At the Hotel English Conversation for Travelers. Let's begin.
Wow, this hotel looks amazing. The lobby is beautiful.
I told you, it's one of the best hotels in the city.
I'm so tired after my flight, but I feel excited too.
That's normal. Once you check in and rest, you'll feel much better.
Everything looks elegant. Even the air smells like lemons. And flowers.
Welcome to luxury hotels.
All right, I'll leave you here. Message me if you need anything.
Thank you so much. I'll call you once I settle in.
Enjoy your stay, Emma.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel. How can I assist you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name of Emma Johnson.
Yes, I found your booking. You have a standard double room for 3 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your passport and credit card, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Miss Johnson.
Would you prefer a high floor with a view or a room closer to the elevator?
High floor, please. I love the city's views.
Perfect. You're in room 805. Here's your key card.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the restaurant on the first floor.
The Wi-Fi password is written on your key card holder.
Elevators are to your right.
Thank you. How do I get to my room?
Take the elevator to the 8th floor, turn left, and follow the signs.
Got it. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Oh, wow. This room is so beautiful. The view is amazing. Finally, I can relax. Hi, I have a question. Do you have a gym or a swimming pool here?
Yes, we have both. The gym is open 24 hours, and the pool is open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. Do I need a special key?
No, just use your room key card.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I will.
Good afternoon. May I give you the menu?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Would you like something to drink while deciding?
Yes. A glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Certainly.
This place feels peaceful. I could stay here all day.
Here's your juice. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have grilled chicken with vegetables.
Would you like rice or potatoes with that?
Potatoes, please.
Great choice. Your meal will be ready in 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Hey, Emma. How's the hotel food?
I just ordered lunch. I'll tell you soon.
Enjoy your fancy meal.
I plan to.
Your grilled chicken with vegetables. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Wow, this is perfect.
Hello. This is room 805. I need extra towels and a blanket, please.
Of course, we'll send them to your room within 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Can you recommend a good place to visit nearby?
Absolutely. The City Museum is just 10 minutes by taxi.
And there's a beautiful park near the hotel, perfect for morning walks.
That sounds great. I'll go tomorrow morning.
Wonderful. Enjoy your visit.
This day was perfect. New place. New experience. I'm happy.
Thank you for listening to this travel conversation. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next English conversation lesson.